Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're here for the first time, then welcome to my channel. My name is Alina. Today I'm here with another video, and if you like to see how I achieve this look, then please keep watching. So first I'm going to prime my eyes using my Louise base in the shade 01. I'm using my F12 brush from Colourpop. I talked about this brush in the previous video and I really like it to apply this base. I'm going to start by using my favorite palette from Sample Beauty and blend this blue shade into my crease. I'm using a small crease brush from Makeup Geek and I'm going in little sections to make sure the eyeshadow is as pigmented as it can be. Next I'm gonna go with an orange shade and I'm going to switch to Morphe E18, which is also supposed to be a small crease brush or round crease brush, but anyway, I'm just trying to avoid anything too fluffy because when you work with colors this different, it's very easy to mess it up by over blending the edges. As you can see, I'm just placing that orange shadow on the edge of the blue one, kind of going 50-50, and once it's there, I will try to blend it in. And like I said, blending too much is not always a good thing, so don't worry if that line looks a little bit harsh. We're just gonna move on to the top and then go back and fix it. Next I'm gonna go with this yellow shade and blend out the edges of the orange one. I believe this is Morphe 327, but I'm honestly not sure what the number is. Guys, if using the same brushes to follow the tutorials is something that is really important for you, I know it used to be for me when I had no idea what I was doing. You can always find them in my description box. Even if I forget what I was using, I always list them down below. Next I'm gonna go with this blue shade from Anastasia Beverly Hills palette and I'm going to use it as a base for my next eyeshadow all over the lid. Once applied, I'm going to go with the blue eyeshadow and just blend out the edges a little bit. Next I'm gonna go with this beautiful shimmer from Colourpop. It looks blue in the pan, but it actually has like green shift to it. And I'm just going to apply it all over my lid. Now going back to those edges, I'm gonna use the same blue and the same orange eyeshadows that I used earlier, same brushes, and I'm just going to blend them out a little bit more so they didn't look as harsh. To highlight, I'm going to be using this white shimmer with a green shift, and I also decided to apply it on the center of my lid just because why not, make things look a little bit more interesting. And of course, make sure to blend out the edges so it looks nicely faded into that blue color. Now I'm going to move on to my lower lash line and I'm going to start by applying the same blue lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills palette on my waterline. I'm also going to apply some of it as close to my lashes as I can to make sure it looks super smoky. Next, using the small pencil brush from Morphe, I'm going to smoke it out using the same blue eyeshadow that I used earlier. I'm making sure to connect it to the blue eyeshadow on the lid, and once done, I'm gonna go with the same colors that I used earlier with the orange and the yellow eyeshadows and do the exact same thing. Now I'm just gonna do some final touches to make sure that everything is nicely blended on my lid and on my lower lash line. I usually like to apply some eyeliner before the lashes to hide the bend, so I went with this pen from Eyeshadow, which was basically invisible on top of the shimmer. It works well with mattes. I don't know, maybe it's just not black enough, so I ended up using my usual Dagger tattoo liner from Kat Von D. After that, I'm just going to apply my lashes and the look is complete. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope that you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on Instagram for more tutorials, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. Bye!